Welcome to this overview of Anvil Workflows. Workflows are an especially valuable tool for industries with a high volume of complex documents and processes, like insurance, HR, real estate, and finance. Workflows bring together web forms and other data sources to complete PDFs and gather e-signatures, all built into a logic-driven flow with easy integration points, making paperwork fully automated, data-first, and delightful for your users. Anvil workflow components can be styled and embedded into your application, allowing you to launch new products fast. Instead of reinventing the wheel, building document software in-house, or stitching together multiple third-party services, which are often time-consuming, use Workflows, a streamlined, fully customizable, and cost-effective tool. A simple integration your developers will love, easily built and maintained by your document experts.